This is the CarbonIceAir, the all-new 8-in-1 pillow with custom air control. Our first generation CarbonIce was a huge success with thousands of satisfied backers. Then we thought, how can we make it even better? Here at Z Comfort, our engineers went back to the drawing board and came up with an incredible way to personalize your sleeping comfort specifically for you. With our proprietary ComfortAir pump technology, now you can easily pump up your pillow to add extra support or let the air out for a softer sleeping experience. It's all in your hands with completely adjustable air control. There's no more guesswork on choosing the right pillow, and no more stacking to try and get comfortable. With the CarbonIceAir, you customize your pillow to how you like it. Pump it up to soft, or choose medium, or even pump all the way for a full firm feeling. Get lower air cradling support, or that higher firm sensation. No matter what you choose, you are always sleeping on air, making the CarbonIceAir 8-in-1 the most comfortable pillow you will ever sleep on. Look, ordinary pillows absorb your sweat and body heat, creating a breeding ground for all sorts of mold, dust mites, and allergens, which can lead to allergies, acne, colds, and even getting you sick. The CarbonIceAir is the only pillow with 8-in-1 technology that protects you with copper and graphene, keeps you cool, and has a customizable air pump so you sleep better. There's the carbon bamboo charcoal to absorb moisture and prevent mold and dust mites. ActivAir cells for enhanced breathability and airflow. Cooling gel that is cool to the touch. Our proprietary ComfortAir pump for customizable comfort. Memo density memory foam that cradles you for maximum support. Infused copper for allergen protection and skin benefits. A carbon ice cover for additional cooling, and the graphene cover with enhanced protection. It's great for everyone, side sleepers, back sleepers, and stomach sleepers. And did we mention it's a 4-sided pillow? What's that you say? How does a pillow have 4 sides? Let me explain. The CarbonIceAir pillow has both a firm memo density memory foam side and a soft side. Plus, with the hypoallergenic ice cover, you also get the cool gel side and the graphene side. The CarbonIceAir pillow's bamboo charcoal memo density foam provides better support, spinal alignment, and relieves your pressure points. The activated bamboo charcoal carbon helps prevent moisture, mold growth, and allergens. And with the custom air pump, you get superior support all night long. The CarbonIceAir utilizes our original ActivAir that keeps you cool by maintaining airflow even on the hottest nights. Look at how much heat you generate while you sleep. This ordinary pillow retains all that heat while the CarbonIceAir keeps you cool and comfortable. The pillowcase is made with our advanced cooling gel technology that keeps your body cool as it wicks away moisture so you sleep better. Our unique memo density memory foam has cradling support and rebounds slowly with micro-encapsulated fibers that also keep you at the optimum temperature. The black side is firm for those that like more support. The blue side is softer, which cradles your neck and head. And now, with our advanced ComfortAir pump, you can select the level of personalized comfort to exactly how you like it. Whichever you choose, it's like sleeping on a cloud of air. The CarbonIceAir pillow has multiple layers of materials to protect you. The memory foam is infused with carbon and bamboo charcoal, plus a full covered layer of copper. All of these materials keep dirt and allergens from getting into the pillow, and it's mold and dust mite resistant. Copper technology has been tested by NASA for its skin healing and antibacterial qualities, while studies on graphene tout its antimicrobial properties. Getting a good night's sleep is a key component to your health. The CarbonIceAir pillow, with its custom air pump, gives you complete control for healthy sleep with incredibly comfortable support. When your head rests on it, it feels amazing for your best night's sleep ever. Back the amazing CarbonIceAir pillow with custom air control and improve your sleeping experience forever.